to your channel, Nomadic Hippie.
You don't look too happy that there's all this white stuff on the ground, superstar. Because it's extremely cold outside, and I don't plan on stepping out because, well, I'm a baby. I have the braveness of a 4-year-old child. Well, actually, a 4-year-old child probably is a lot braver than me. Oh, you guys can't see through my sunglasses. Let me bring you back here. All right, so I had a video blow up the other day, and I thought, what a great thing, what a service I could be to the community by teaching you guys how to not blow up, how to not get that viral video. I figured since it's snowing outside today and the roads are just terrible, me and Kat are just going to kick back in here and we're going to give you a quick few hints of not what to do. I've been speaking English now for quite a few years. I hope that sounded correct. I'm not sure. But here's a few tips you should follow strictly if you decide, you know what, I don't want to create a viral video. Sounds good, right? Step number 1. Seems like YouTube Shorts is the way to go if you want to create a YouTube video that goes viral really fast. People love that little short 10-15 second long video. Don't know why, don't ask me why. But if you don't want your YouTube short viral to go video, like I said, I've been speaking English quite a while. But if you don't want your YouTube short to go viral, record it in landscape mode. If you record it in landscape mode instead of vertical mode, chances are it won't be picked up in the YouTube algorithm as a YouTube short. That's definitely a way to make sure that, well, your video does not go viral. Step number two, if you do not want your video to go viral, don't put your pets in there. No pet with fur, whether it's a gerbil, a rat. Well, snakes would probably go viral too, and they don't have fur. A cat, a dog, a horse, a cow, a goat, a ferret, a beaver, a fox, a moose. If you have any of those animals in your life, do not put them in your video because chances are they will help you go viral. If you have a goldfish, you can put that in your video. I don't know how well goldfish retain viewers or even have people click on their videos. Watch my goldfish. Watch what it does. Watch what I do. I can't end this clip. And if you don't want your YouTube short to go viral, do not use the tag #shorts. That's a big one right there. If you do not put hashtag shorts in the title, in the description, and in the tags and the keywords below, chances are the algorithm's not going to pick that up neither. So if you don't want to go viral on a YouTube short, just leave out that hashtag, or misspell it, or don't complete the word. Don't put hashtag short, singular, because that's a good way for it not to pick it up neither, because the word is shorts with an S at the end. So leave that S off. Just use hashtag short, and you're probably pretty much guaranteed not to go viral. If you do want to go viral, definitely do all of those things. You can do all of those things. Phone. But if you don't want to go viral, just don't do none of that stuff I said. Don't do any of it. And you're pretty much guaranteed not to have that hit, that crazy amount of numbers that you see on some of these videos. Trust me, I know, I've been there. I do not have very many viral videos, and I don't want this one to go viral neither. But I'm breaking one of my rules. Fur baby just decided to make an appearance. If you do want it to go viral, just put your loved little fur baby in the video, and even if they're being brats, the odds of it going viral are even better. But that's only on YouTube Shorts. I can't tell you how to not go viral on your regular videos. That's up to you to figure out. Until the next time, ow. Ow. What? Look at, attack the camera. Don't attack the hand. Don't attack the hand, okay? All right, guys, until the next time, this has just been a quick little short video, just something to fill up my day a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and keep her occupied for a little bit, try and wear her out. Because if I don't, she's not going to let me sleep. So until the next time, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody.